Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfelsi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Intermediate Center Examination 2021 questions paper. So, you read question paper very carefully. Look at every point. First point, subject code, and then questions booklet set code, then questions booklet serial number, and chemistry elective, ISC theory. Total number of questions 70 plus 20 plus 6, 70 objectives, 20 and 60 and 6, total 96. You have time allotted 3 hours 15 minutes. Total number of printed page 28 and full marks 70. So read all these important instructions. First, candidate must enter his or her questions booklet serial number 10 digit in the OMR answer sheet. Candidates are required to give their answer in their own words as far as practicable. Figures in the right hand margin indicate full marks. 15 minutes of extra time have been allotted for the candidate to read the questions carefully. This questions booklet is divided into two sections, section A and section B. So, objective type questions. Questions number 1 to 17 have 4 options, out of which only one is correct. You have to mark your selected options on the OMR sheet. Answer any 35 questions. So 35 into 1, 35. Just like what is the coordination number in an atom in hexagonal close packed structure? Choose the answer. Check it. 12. Caprolactam is the monomer of which of the following? Check the answer from your book Nylon 6. Orthophosphoric basicity of orthophosphoric acid is 2. A solution having lowest vapor pressure among the following is 1 K2SO4. Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? Check the answer. Cellulose. Dolomite mineral contains contains magnesium. Then you check the unit of velocity constant for zero order reactions, maybe the C mole per liter per second. The IUPAC name of ethyl acetate is ethyl ethanoate. B answer. The unit of cell constant is centimeter inverse. Check it. Aniline and acetanilide chloride means aniline react with acetyl chloride to form. It gives acetanilide. Which of the following is the strongest Lewis acid? Check it. Bi3. The size of colloidal particle is 1 to 1000 nanometers. Which of the following compound has the highest boiling points? Which one is the highest boiling point? Check it. Maybe A. Titanium H2O63 plus is paramagnetic in nature due to 1 unpaired electrons. Again, which is the examples of 8:8 coordination in the following? Cesium chloride. Formaldehydes. The reaction of formaldehyde with Grignard reagent lead to the formation of 1 degree alcohol. Which is the colorless in water? Scandium 3+. In Arrhenius equation, the velocity constant of reaction is related to maybe temperature. When ethanol is heated with failing solution, it gives precipitate of Q plus oxide. Which of the types of bond is present in Xe molecules? Van der Waals or ion dipoles maybe. At 25 degrees Celsius, the highest osmotic pressure is expected by 0.1 m solution of which one is correct? Check. Maybe calcium chloride. C2H5 means what is the product A in the following reactions? Maybe ethyl alcohol. Other than oxygen in the group 16 of the periodic table, the element is found means sulfur. The complete hydrolysis of a starch give glucose. The most abundant element in the earth crust is iron. The cell reaction is spontaneous when del E naught reduction is negative. The major organic product of the following reaction is methyl iodide and this alcohol. The oxidation number of nickel in nickel 40. In physical adsorption, the gas molecules are bounded on the solid surface by which one chemical force or electrostatic force. So, which force is there? Maybe van der Waals force of attraction. Nylon 6,6 is polyamide. FeCO5 is a complex compound. For reactions, A plus B give product. The rate of reaction is represented by this. Taken in large excess, the order of reaction, check it, maybe 0. OH group of phenol in electrophilic substitution, ortho-para-directing. Ethylene diamine is an example of bidentate ligand. Copper and silver, it gave copper 2 plus and silver. So what is the values here? E naught may be positive. Which of the following is an example of tertiary amines? So B. Calculate the magnetic moment of divalent ion in aqueous solution. Atomic number is 25. So maybe B. Cloud is an example of liquid dispersion in gas. Which one is optically active in the following? So this compound is optically active. B. Check this answer. I have already given you the 38. You have only 35. So just see the question. The number of unpaired electron in XA4. Check it. On doping germanium metal with a little of indium, which gave P type of conductor. The correct structure of saccharin is C. Packing efficiency is simple cubic lattice is 52%. Check it. The isotonic solution have equal molar concentrations. On electrolysis of the dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product formed at a node will be oxygens. Check these equations. In the reaction, chloroform plus Cl2, it gives carbon tetrachloride. K is this. Then order of reaction, maybe 3/2. The biological catalyst is enzymes. Sodium cyanide solution is used in the extraction of which of the metals? Check from your book, maybe silver. This is the electronic configurations. So this is maybe sulfur. Tear gas is, check the what is the tear gas. Gas used in filling balloons for the meteorological observation is helium. What is the Mohr salt? FeSO4, NH4 2 SO4 6H2. Lanthanide, electronic configurations, N-2, B options. Chloroform O2, it gives COCl2, the main product of the reaction, COCl2. The correct IUPAC name of this compound is ethane 1,2-diol. Benzaldehyde react with alcoholic ACN, it gave the, check this one. In the reactions, it gave acetophenone. Which of the one has the greatest value of pKb? Primary, secondary, and tertiary. So check this one. Peptide on hydrolysis give amino acid. Which of the following phenol react with bakelite, formaldehyde? Chloromycetin is used in the treatment of which of the following disease? Cholera. So tranquilizers are chemical substances which are used in the treatment of which of the following disease? Mental disease. And which one of the following is example of emulsions? Milk. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Further, you have these equations for the reaction 3A to B. The rate of reactions may be 1 by 3. And make this problem. First, try to get a standard reduction potential given here, respectively, which is the strongest reducing agent, maybe silver. The molarity of the solution 2.5 gram ethanoic acid dissolved in 75 gram benzoic acid. Maybe after solving you will get the C answer. Which of the following is an example of ferromagnetic bromyl CrO2? The correct commercial name of carbon tetrachloride. Check. Maybe carbon tetrachloride. What is the name here? Check it this one. And the impurities present in ore are called gangue. And which of the following ion is expected to be color maybe nickel 2 plus. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.